Alright, so good morning and welcome to this video series on capacitance. So you can see this is a situation of a parallel plate capacitor which is filled up with a dielectric of thickness T, and the remaining space is filled up with air. So the space which is filled up with air is 1 and 3, and the total spacing for air is d minus T, and the dielectric is of thickness T. The area of dielectric which is inserted and the area of the plates is equal. So this is a very important concept that gets used prolifically in numericals, and you must remember the formula of nu capacitance, which is written on the right hand side. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of the air, and K represents the dielectric constant, which is the ratio of permittivity of the medium divided by the permittivity of vacuum or air. Assume them to be equal. So this formula of capacitance, when the capacitor, a parallel plate capacitor, is filled up with a dielectric, must be memorized and is a very, very important concept for your exam. Thank you.